I'm Sarah, and welcome to Retherford's Farm Market. Been here for 10 years. My husband Al and I have been doing produce together for 30. When we moved to Benton, he found this location and we set up. Our first little stand was a small little table with peaches, and we grew into this. Here at the farm, we have a barn full of awesome stuff. It's packed full of antiques and treasures, yard sale finds up to good primitives. We have a great selection of mums, fall flowers, warty gourds, pumpkins of all colors, shapes, and sizes. Alan and I are super particular about your quality of produce that we give, and our service. We try to give top-notch service to everybody. Years ago, our oldest daughter, Hannah, started hand pulling the corn maze, and it has evolved into this great 4.5-acre corn maze that we have today. You can also enjoy a pirate fort and plenty of head cutouts to take pictures in. Our extended family, we have pigs. We call them Ham and Bacon. There's Oreo. There's a whole mess of pigs that we have out there that we welcome you to come and enjoy. We have chickens out here to view. We have Gray Donkey, who is my boy, Gracie and Gray. They're two goats that we've had here forever. 2 dogs. We have Rosie. She's our greeter, and she has a smile with plenty of teeth. And we also have a new addition, which her name is Daisy. So if you see them around, they're part of our family. I like it if everybody leaves with a smile on their face. If they leave here and they have a full fridge, a beautiful front yard after they leave here, and good family memories, we've done our job.